Today, we've got good news for your tiny pets. About a year and a half ago, we introduced the adjustable Beta. And since then, we've realized that we're missing a segment of the market, which is the toy dogs. So to address that and make so that you guys can sell collars and other items for the toy dog market, we are introducing adjustable 3/8 and 5/8. You'll be able to make collars for the tiny dogs because tiny dogs need tiny collars. We have 3/8 and 5/8 adjustable available right now in stock at the Strap Warehouse. We have each size in 10 different colors, just like the other adjustable that we have. One thing that you need to note is that it will come in 100-foot rolls. We're not offering this in the 25. Right now it's coming in 100-foot rolls. The small breed adjustable was developed to help you build by reaching a segment of the market that we haven't reached before. The small breed market is huge. There are literally millions of small dogs out there that need collars, and now you can reach them with Biothane. I'm Marlin with the Strap Warehouse. Remember, better is possible.